Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and authentic Maharashtrian style Puran Poli. Puran Poli is a traditional dish from Maharashtra which is made in festivals, and this tastes so good with the delicious Chana Dal stuffing inside it. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिବାକୁ चाहुछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first, in a bowl, soak 1.5 cups of chana dal for 3 to 4 hours. After that, transfer it to a pressure cooker. Add around 3 to 4 cups of water. Cover and pressure cook on medium flame up to 3 whistles. Our chana dal is perfectly cooked now. Strain the water. Now I am passing it through the strainer. This is completely optional. I am making the stuffing super smooth. Now transfer it to a pan. Add 3/4 cup of jaggery. Mix and cook. The jaggery has dissolved now. Add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ghee. Mix well and cook again till it separates. The mixture has come together now. Finally, add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1/4 of nutmeg grated. Mix everything well. And our puran is ready now. Turn off the heat and pass it through the strainer while it's hot. Super smooth and delicious puran is ready now. Mix with hands and let it come together like a dough. Cover and keep it aside. Now let's make the poli dough. For that, in a bowl, take 2 cups of whole wheat flour or atta. To that, add half cup of refined flour or maida, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. Mix well with hands. Gradually add water and knead into a super soft dough. I have forgot to add haldi powder or turmeric powder, so I am adding it now. And this gives the dough a beautiful yellow color. A super soft and smooth dough is ready now. Apply 1 teaspoon of oil all over it and rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Make balls of the puran like so and keep them aside. Our poli dough is well rested now. Knead it for a minute. Then make balls of the poli dough also like so. Smoothen them out. Prepare all the dough balls like so. Take one dough ball and flatten it like so. Press the sides and flatten. Place one puran ball in the center and stretch the sides to seal it. Remove excess dough on top and smoothen the ball. Now sprinkle a little bit of flour and press to flatten it a little so that the puran spreads out perfectly. Then lightly roll using rolling pin and place it on a hot tawa. The Puran Poli starts puffing up a little. At this stage, flip it over and it completely pops off like so. Apply ghee or oil. Flip and apply ghee again on the other side also. And our Puran Poli is perfectly cooked from both the sides now. Serve it hot. Puran Poli is so delicious and authentic. This tastes so amazing. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.